All right, today we're going to be installing this 4-step telescoping swim ladder on my Mako Pro skiff. I wanted to make this video because I was trying to find a ladder to install and just really could not find any online. A lot of people were struggling trying to find ladders for this particular model boat and similar models. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing installed and show you how we do it.
Sorry, I forgot to mention earlier which ladder I'm using when I was recording installing it earlier. This is the 4-step ladder, stainless steel by Zen Kun Marine store. It's $60 right now on Amazon, and I will post a link to it in the description if you want to check it out.
All right, so we're gonna be mounting it here where this rough area is, this grip. There's not much room, but this section right here is where it's gonna come through and where we can secure it on the bottom side. So what I've done is held it to make sure it has good clearance, and I can find 2 screws or bolts on this side that'll make it through, and 2 on this side that'll make it through. And I've just marked the right ones so we can get to drilling through the fiberglass to get that. Now, to help from cracking your clear coat and fiberglass, you can lay some painter's tape over it and just mark your lines. Also, when you're drilling, start off small and drill in reverse, not forward, to prevent cracking and chipping of your clear coat. And yeah, once it bites through, then you can switch it to the right direction, but put very light pressure when you're starting out. All right, now your finished drilling holes should be right about the exact same size as your screws, so they still have some tension. You have to actually screw them in just so it has a nice tight grip and there's nothing loose. All right, so we got our first 2 holes drilled with no cracks or chipping. Real quick, I wanted to mention that this ladder comes with these 4 screws, stainless steel screws. I just decided to get some bolts instead, all stainless steel. Just feel like it's going to be more strong. I'd feel safer. Got some washers too, just to divide the pressure a little bit, and bolts to hold them in place. You could probably get away with these screws, but I got all this for like $12 at my local hardware store, so just makes me feel a lot better about it, and you should probably do that. Make sure you get yourself some rubbing alcohol and just rub this down top and bottom before you start putting any hardware through it. Make sure it's a clean surface. All right, before we put the hardware in, we do want to fill these in with some marine adhesive. You could use this marine goop. Another great option would be 3M 4200 adhesive, just to fill in any gaps and make sure everything's secure and watertight once it cures. It'll also help with vibration and keep everything locked in. All right, so put a little bit here. You can wipe up any extra. All right, got the right side done, secured. Now I can put this down and mark my holes for the second side and just repeat the process. All right, everything's in place. The only issue I came across was the washers I got didn't fit on the back end from how I marked it, because it was right up against the hole. But either way, it's still got a washer on each side. Plus these bolts are gonna, even without a washer, are gonna be way stronger than just regular screws that they came with. So I think that's gonna be more than fine. Yeah, it's on there and I think it's gonna work great. So hopefully this helps anybody that has this model boat or any similar ones, because I know it's like impossible to find one to go with this one that you can do yourself without having to spend tons of money to get installed somewhere. So yeah. Lastly, this is how it's going to look with the ladder down. Well, more going to be like, there you go. That's how it's going to look with the ladder down, so should work fine. Hope this helps.